When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody to help me anyway.
Yun? Ertana!
It's gone, not so selfish you. Now I finally changed my mind. I open up the door. How if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me if you'd be back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? Maraming salamat. Mahal ko kayo.